Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw an alarm clock. Let's start off by drawing a big circle for the bottom. Then, draw a smaller circle inside for the clock face. On the upper right, draw an arch and close it out with a flat bottom for the bell. Then, mirror that on the upper left. On top of the bells, draw a short rectangular nub with bolts that hold them down, followed by a horizontal rectangle in between the bells with two lines extending down to the clock for the hammer that rings the bells. At the bottom left, draw a long rounded nub for one of the legs, and one more on the bottom right for the other leg. On the face, you can add some numbers. I'm just going to draw 12, 3, 6, and 9. Then, draw a long hand here with a circle in the middle and a short hand here. Lastly, you can add two curved lines here and here to make it look like it's ringing. And now you've got an alarm clock.